Rocks. They're a funny thing. You know, as a child, I can remember my dad, he would come up to me, he'd punch me in the gut, he'd tell me everything would be alright, he'd punch me again, he'd say the same thing. He'd do that 3 or 4 times. I would cry a lot. I was maybe 6. It was a tough year. I still can't sleep. Fun little fact, Jurassic Park was not filmed here. Sand. Mother Nature's diarrhea. Oh, there's a pond. Wait here. Check this out. Yeah. Totally made it. You know, when out in nature, you always want to take the quickest and most efficient routes in and through everything. This is the fastest way out. You can get out fast this way, and yeah, you know, nature's fun. I've seen a piece of wood this long since I woke up this morning. So as you guys can see here, we got a northwestern bench here. It's a little oddly placed. Mother Nature does like to get creative with her placements, so little off the ground. Don't worry, I got a little trick I picked up in Nam. Do it together with me now. On 3, we're just gonna do a little hop onto this guy. Okay. So on 3, so bend at the knees. 1, 2, and 3. And oh! Mother Nature can be a bitch sometimes. You know, you don't accomplish anything in life by being safe. This isn't gonna happen. Nah. There's one thing video games have taught me, is to never lock eyes with a fisherman. You'll end up battling their Magikarps, and that's a pain in the ass. Yeah, you know, it's pretty interesting the differences that they teach you in school about ferns. Oh my god, a whale! You missed it again. You missed it. I saw it. Another fun fact for you guys, this tree fell down a long time ago. This looks like an old Aztec table. Come on over here, guys, check this out. Wow, yeah, look at this craftswork. Oh man, this has gotta be old. Ooh, come take a look at this. Ooh, there's carvings. This looks like it's Mayan on an Aztec table. That's unheard of. My Mayan is a little rough at translating, but if I'm not mistaken, I'll try reading this for you guys. It says, love nature as yourself. Wow. That really, that gets to me, man. Wow. Some of the things you'll find, you just can't buy. You just can't make this. You just can't. Beaches in Normandy. Man, Portland's got a lot of history. You know, nature really gets one thinking about the future as well as the past, and I think a lot about my ex-wife and how she was a slut. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today.